Okay, regarding your decisions also, if you're sitting in your family and your brother and you are sitting and you're debating on a certain topic, and do you feel that your voice is heard or his voice is heard more than you, or I mean you have considered, okay, you're younger or you're a girl, your voice is not important.
Yeah,
do you ever feel like that?
your voice is not heard much.
Your voice is not heard much.
And
Or
the way we talk also matters. If we start fighting, then we are suppressing.
if you're giving logical arguments also, then also.
I may feel it's logical, but the others might not feel it's logical.
Let's take the same case for a two-wheeler thing. It's you'll obviously give logical arguments for that, and I mean for that, if a decision needs to be taken and you're sitting in a family, and who do you think should be heard then?
I think my parents will go for the Activa and my brother will surely compromise. Even though he'll ask for a bike, but he'll compromise. Maybe because he's younger.
Okay, let's not be brand specific. If it is any two-wheeler, I mean baby liter, TVS or an Activa. Huh?
I think my parents will listen to my brother.
Brother. Okay.
But then my brother will also make some kind of compromises, arguments like don't buy TVS Pepsi in case you're buying movies.
Oh, so your argument would be brand specific.
Brand specific means
You'll be affected by each other.
Like,
we will not be taking a decision as we are two different entities. We cooperate and take a decision.
Okay. How do you think peer pressure has influenced your opinion? I mean, is it because if you had been studying in a co-ed college or in a girls' college, do you think your opinion would differ then? Or if all the girls have a two-wheeler, if all the girls in your college have a two-wheeler, then you should have one. Or some of the boys also don't have, then you can compromise. Is it like that?
Depends on the need. Depends on the need. Yeah, distance from the school, distance from the college, all these things don't matter.
Since you're all hostelers, so you must be feeling the need anytime when you want to go to the market or anywhere. So
But here the market is so near that we just walk there.
so sometimes we feel like we need to go to coaching and we get late
Yeah,
and we're
I
coming
know.
back. It's okay.
We have
traffic
transportation systems over in here.
okay. Any decisions of your life that you have taken off the track? I mean, if your father wants you to take medical, then you take medical, or you have voiced your opinion,
Yeah,
no, I want that, or any small decision would come.
Once it had happened after 12 regarding medical and engineering, and now go for PCS, civil services, IAS, or I want to go for MBA. But
Your normal choices, your food choices, if you want to have a non-veg thing and your father insists on a veg thing, that way is also.
There are some, of course, some principles which we cannot break. We cannot go for non-vegetarian. We cannot wear turtlenecks and all that. There are some things which are understood silently. We don't even talk about it. We know that these things are
maybe
not
get into it in
principles.
case we go out, maybe in a boat, around, maybe. I mean, right now I don't wear spaghetti and all, but I'm not saying I will never wear it. I may
Depends on the opportunity you get. Okay. And given the opportunity, you will go off the track.
We feel it's rational. If I feel it's rational, I will.
You will, and you will not bother about your parents' opinion then.
No, I won't do such. I won't take just the off track. I may go somewhere middle. I will not be very extremist about something. I will be somewhere in the middle.
Okay. So your tendency seems to be going for a middle path every time. Okay. I mean, what would be your motivation if you go off the track sometime? Even in a small decision, if you want a piece of jewelry for yourself, or you like it so much that you can't say go without it in any party or anything.
It's totally
So
against the jewelry.
if they're saying oh no, it's too costly, you can't buy it, but you have your heart in it. I want to buy it. So,
I might save
So
some
let the
money.
money by myself.
huh?
I might save some money to buy it later.
But then it might get sold then.
Then you stop thinking about it. That's it.
Stop thinking about it.
Means I'll do something definitely.
All of you think of it the same way.
Okay, next news. Any celebrities or brands which influence your decisions?
In 3 days we said that there should be something technical in our college. That way.
Like any brand, like you said, I'll not go for Scooty Pep anytime, I'll go for Activa. That way, any brand which would influence your decision so much.
Not brand. I'm talking about the celebrity.
Okay.
Which person?
Celebrities as in
Amir
it?
Khan.
Amir Khan.
Okay. Any girl celebrity or any talk show or any reality show that you've seen that has inspired you in this way?
Sonia Gandhi inspires us a lot. Being a foreigner in a country. She's not a foreigner, of course, but when she came, she was a foreigner and she understood the Indian mentality and she just got the position and yet maintained her decorum and everything. That's what we admire in her.
But talk about today's girl. I mean, what could have been your decision when you were 10 years older, or what freedom you enjoy now? For example, we see so many girls in reality shows. For example, MTV, Sweets Villa, Roadies, and which were supposed to be a male kind of shows. We are seeing many girls there. So, do you think a radical change is happening here?
Yeah, but it's not happening everywhere. It's confined to some like certain metros. In fact, inside Ghaziabad, there is a lot of difference in Delhi and Lucknow. In mentality also.
It's not that you want to go in that show. You just some people have their favorites in Indian Idol also, in Roadies also. Some people have their favorites. Do you have any favorite of that kind? Some girl who had taken up a male kind of role, or some girl who had challenged males. Oh, you don't watch.
In Indian Idol, there was Bhumi. She challenged boys there.
Who was
Bhumi.
Bhumi? She was in
Indian Idol.
She was in Indian Idol.
She was top 3 in one single girl.
She wasn't.
Which TV soaps you like? Celebrity you like?
Hostel, right?
Any products that you perceive as in which were perceived to be male dominated, but they are actually working in favor of women. For example, this rap thing, hardcore has gone into this domain. So any profession, any brand which is, for example, jeans. 15 years ago, nobody thought that girls would be wearing jeans one day, and now jeans is a unanimous thing. We have unisex salons. Boys are doing facials of their own. So, any other thing that comes to your mind related to this?
That women are going into fields which are made for
Male.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, nowadays in our college, like so many girls in mechanical engineering is surprising.
Okay.
Earlier, I had an example that about 15 years ago, my brother was there and he had a girl in his class. So the professors changed her branch to EC. She was in electrical because electrical was not favored for girls and all that. I myself am an electrical right now. Since I've changed the branch of the engineering, I've changed the choices of the girls.
Not only in career, in the brands and the products you use.
The Adidas products initially used to be seen for men, but nowadays we also like wearing Adidas shoes, Adidas track pants.
Okay. Any other, just top of your mind, whatever comes. Any other profession, product, any other product?
Space astronauts like Kalpana Chawla and Sunita Williams.
Okay.
All the first people, Neil Armstrong, Rakesh Sharma, Yuri Gagarin, all were male. Now we have female leading the now in different companies, the field work is given to the women also nowadays. Women CEOs and all that. They are the eyes of the parents and parents are choosing girls, their daughters, to become CEOs of the companies.
Right. Okay. So was it initially for men to be a CEO? I mean, girls were prohibited.
In fact,
Was it like that?
word was earlier was chairman, and now it has been changed chairperson.
Yeah, right.